Hello, everyone. You will be able to use Galaxy devices safely and reliably for longer because we plan to support 7 years of security updates and 7 generations of OS upgrade, starting with Galaxy S24 series. Welcome to your Eureka moment.
When you make or receive a call in a language you don't speak, the Galaxy S24 series can provide live translations of your call, both verbally and on screen, right away.
Hola, esta llamada se está traduciendo y subtitular de forma simultánea.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas?
Of course. For how many people?
Table for 2, please.
Mesa para 2, por favor.
The Galaxy S24 series offers real-time, two-way call translations within the native call app. It'll support audio and text translations for up to 13 languages at launch. And it all happens right there on the device, keeping your phone calls private. It'll even remember your language settings and what language each contact speaks. These translations work in person too. Galaxy S24 can act as your personal interpreter.
Excuse me? I'm looking for the palace. Can you tell me how to get there?
Perdón, estoy buscando el palacio. ¿Puedes decirme cómo llegar allí?
Camine unas 2 cuadras en esa dirección y gire a la izquierda.
Walk about 2 blocks in that direction and turn left.
In the past, we used to only message in English, but now, with Chat Assist, we can communicate in Spanish too. Let me show you how it works. See? When you use Chat Assist, it detects the language and translates the message. And when I type my message in English, it translates what I wrote into Spanish.
It can also help us communicate better in our own languages too. You can select different styles of conversations on Google Messages. So when you're writing a casual message to a friend, you can choose a chill or excited tone. Or for work, you can choose to be more formal. There's even a Shakespearean tone when you're feeling a little whimsical. And this all happens on device on the Galaxy S24 series, thanks to Google's most efficient AI model built for on-device tasks, Gemini Nano. And now, with photo emoji on Google Messages, you can turn your photos into stickers and reactions, opening up whole new ways to express yourself. You can also make tone changes to your notes, chats, and social media using the Samsung keyboard. With the power of AI, you'll be able to set Android Auto to automatically summarize your group messages, so you can keep in touch while staying focused on the road. Android Auto will also suggest relevant replies and actions you can take without touching your phone. So if you're on your way to meet a friend and they send you a new location, no problem. With a single tap, you'll be able to navigate to a destination you just received via text.
The native voice recorder app on our Galaxy devices has had speech-to-text available in different languages. And now, instead of creating a basic transcript, Galaxy AI can distinguish between different speaking voices and will even create a short and sweet summary of what was said. Sometimes, my handwriting can be messy or slanted, even when I use my S Pen. But Samsung Notes can clean that up in a snap. And now, with Note Assist, it's so easy to organize my thoughts. I can tidy things up by adding a bit of structure, like headings and bullets, to my notes. Just like that. And I can even select from different styles. I can summarize all my notes into just a few key bullet points. I'll show you how. See how simple that was?
I'm thrilled to unveil Circle to Search, a new way to search anything on your Android phone using a simple gesture without switching apps. You can now circle, highlight, scribble, or tap whatever you're curious about on your screen to learn more. But now, just long press the home button to invoke Circle to Search. And from there, you can select any item. So I can circle the corn dog and ask a question like, why are these so popular? And I quickly learn that these treats are Korean corn dogs. And they're trending because they feature a unique combination of flavors and textures. Circle to Search will be available across all 3 models of the Galaxy S24 series.
So, with the Galaxy S24 series, making decisions about your data is in your hands. Under Advanced Intelligence settings, you can decide whether you want to allow online processing and full functionality of AI. In addition, the Security and Privacy dashboard allows you to easily understand which apps recently accessed your location data or camera, and you can remove access with just a tap. With Knox Matrix, Samsung Cloud securely syncs and backs up your data and settings across your Galaxy devices using end-to-end encryption.
Galaxy S24 Ultra will maximize your creative freedom with a wide-ranging suite of AI tools powered by an all-new Pro Visual Engine.
With the Galaxy S24's nightography and space zoom, we were able to zoom in to see TXT as if we were in the front row.
Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a quad tele-camera system, including a new 5x optical lens and a 50-megapixel sensor, so you can take high-quality videos and photos from afar. And pixels are now 1.6 times larger than before, allowing them to capture more light for brighter and clearer output. The telecamera on the Galaxy S24 Ultra now has a wider OIS correction angle to increase the steadiness of your footage, even if you're zooming in from far away. The AI image signal processing of the Pro Visual Engine works with the new 5x optical lens to capture vivid, social media-ready portraits, even from a distance.
Our native camera experiences like nightography, Super HDR, and video stabilization are now available through social in-app cameras for Instagram and Snapchat.
The Galaxy S24 series will be the first ever to have HDR enabled for photos on Instagram. Pro Visual Engine doesn't just help you get the shot, it also simplifies photo editing. When you're viewing photos in your gallery, your Galaxy S24 will automatically suggest editing options, like here. Do you see how this picture captured the reflection and glare from the harsh overhead lighting? Edit Suggestion is recommending that we fix that. With a quick press of this button, Pro Visual Engine helps us to remove the reflection and glare as if they were never there. And generative AI opens up the possibilities of what you can create exponentially. You can realign photos and still create epic shots by magically filling the void. You can also move an object or person and generate a perfectly blended background where the subject used to be. With every generated image, we'll be adding a watermark to the image and a label in the metadata.
With the Pro Visual Engine, you can turn high-resolution videos into slow motion with a simple long press. It will analyze each frame of the video and add AI-generated images in between frames, allowing you to watch your videos in slow motion. So we are excited to have partnered with Google to make QuickShare the single share solution across all Android devices. So now, Android users will be able to file share across more devices and even Windows PCs.
We've also improved the CPU and GPU significantly, which enables seamless multitasking and video editing. So now, when you game, you'll experience true-to-life lighting, reflections, and shadows, making the gaming experience feel realer than ever. The Galaxy S24 series features a redesigned structure with a pop-up TIM, a liquid-type TIM, and wider vapor chamber around the AP to disperse heat efficiently and in 2 directions. Couple that with a long-lasting battery, and now you'll be able to enjoy even more gameplay. The entire Galaxy S24 series features screens with a peak brightness of 2,600 nits.
And Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus bring a one-mass design that seamlessly combines the display with a durable armor aluminum frame. Gender-neutral colors inspired by nature, our Galaxy S24 series redefines durability and style. The Galaxy experience is designed to empower you while seamlessly fitting into your lifestyle. And now, with the incredible power of Galaxy AI, the Galaxy experience is reaching new heights with all new ways to connect, create, and play. The Galaxy S24 series will be available for pre-order starting today. Pricing starts at $799, with the S24 Plus at $999, and S24 Ultra at $1,299. Galaxy S23 FE is available from $599, and S23 will be available from $699 in the US. That we plan to roll out Galaxy AI experiences that we introduced today to select Galaxy devices in the first half of this year.
We've created a powerful and accessible health and wellness device here to change the shape of future health like only Samsung can. Meet the Galaxy Ring.
This is just the beginning, and we can't wait for you to try it yourself. Thank you so much for being a part of Unpacked.